Meet Jack and Sarah. They need help. Their favorite shoes are worn out, but unfortunately, so are they. With their busy schedules, they just can't find the time to visit a local shoe repair shop. Not to mention, most of the cobblers in town have either gone out of business or retired. Quality shoe repair has become a dying art. So how do you get your shoes fixed these days? What if there was a better way? What if you could order online, ship your shoes to a cobbler, and receive them looking like new again? Introducing Cobblers Direct. Simply order your repairs online. Print our prepaid shipping label. Package your items for repair and ship them directly to us. In no time, your items will arrive at our world-class repair facility in Austin, Texas, where our expert craftsmen will bring your shoes, boots, handbags, and belts back to life. Before you know it, your items will arrive at your doorstep looking like new again. So take it easy. We've got you covered. Cobblers Direct. Premium shoe, boot, handbag, and belt repair by mail.